guys, Bad Music Production here from Producer Buzz, and today I'm going to be showing you how to sound like this in FL Studio.
Yeah, tell me what, it's getting really hot. Gangman with no love, wars on people getting shot. Country powers what they want, threatening with atomic bombs. People pulling in and out, and tell me what is going on. This world is cold, this world is cold. I wish I could see what the future really holds. Democratic policy, Soviet democracy, demon killed the literacy and media telepathy. Spread love, not war, come on. Let the world come to a peace and not war. This is a free vocal preset. Hey.
Now guys, I want to thank you for your suggestions. Obviously, this suggestion that you guys have dropped, a New York and drill type of vocal preset, this is what I've given you this week, guys. Now the best part this week, guys, I'm going to be showing you the whole process from start to finish, how I produced this whole vocals, so you guys can follow me completely. Some of you have been asking to show you the process, so I'll show you the whole process, and hopefully you guys will learn something from this. Again, I just want to say that on Producer Buzz, guys, we've got loads of free drum kits, VST plugins, so make sure you check out the links in my description where you can go and grab it all. Apart from that, I'm not going to talk much. I just want to say thank you for all your lovely suggestions last week. This is like a kind of universal vocal preset you guys can use. I'll also show you a few other bits and bobs you guys can do to change the frequencies and settings. So make sure you watch this whole tutorial. And apart from that, I hope everyone stays safe. Hope you guys stay cool. Make sure you drop the like. Make sure you subscribe. And make sure you hit the comment. Make sure you hit the comment. Make sure you hit the like, man. But yeah, I just want to thank you everyone, you know, that's been here for 2021. We're on 2022. Can't wait to show you guys. Got one more video coming up in a few days, so make sure you stay tuned. Apart from that, what do you guys want to see next week? Drop it in more comments. And yes, I'm going to go straight into this. I'm not going to talk anymore. Yeah, let's just go straight into this.
Yo, okay guys, what's good? So here we are in FL Studio. I'm gonna show you how to mix these vocals from scratch. So this is what we got. Yeah, tell me what? It's getting really hot. Hey. Gangman with no love, wars on people getting shot. Hey. Country powers what they want, threatening with atomic bombs. People pulling in and out, and tell me what is going on. This song I made up as a conflict between what's going on in the world at the moment. We've got the conflict between Russia and Ukraine, and I thought, you know what, I just wrote these lyrics really quick, and I thought best way to demonstrate something that's going on in the world and not just rap load of crap, and I thought that'd be pretty cool, so that's what I done. If you guys like it, make sure you smash the like. But obviously there's a lot of things that are missing in these vocals, and I'm gonna show you here, guys, today. Tell me what it's getting really hot. So first of all, we recorded, as you guys saw, live, and we recorded on this channel. So the only effect that we've got on is the Soundgoodizer. As you guys know, without it you would sound like this, and with it on you're gonna sound like this. And once you record your vocals, we are gonna now mix and master these vocals. Okay, I'm gonna mix and master these to like a New York, you know, NY type of drill kind of mixing and mastering preset here from Producer Buzz. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna set this to any channel that you guys want, so no specific channel. I'm just gonna click on 16 here, just click in, drag up and open it up. So channel 16, let's say we can put it out, and on here we're gonna start playing it back, right? So we're gonna zoom in here and pick a spot. Pick a spot that we want to use. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do on a stack here, it really depends how you stack your channels, guys, and your effects. The first effect, we're gonna put in Fruity Multiband Compressor. Okay, and on this multiband compressor, what we're gonna do is we're gonna stack an effect on here, a preset, and select vocal presets on here. I select the one below it. I don't know how I managed that. There we go, vocals. And we've got the vocal preset on here. Now what we're going to do is on the ratio here, this is the hint panel when I refer it in a video. When we move things, the hint panel changes, as you guys can see. So we're going to change this to 2-1-1. Ratio for mid, high and low, all three of them. On the low, we're going to keep everything as it is, okay? On the mid band, what we're going to do is we're going to take this mid band, okay, and move it halfway so it's in the center. I'm going to take the gain on the high band and move it halfway as well. And this is the sound that we're gonna have now. Check this out. What? It's getting really hot. Gangman with no love was on people getting shot. Country powers what they want. So without the effect. What? It's getting really hot. And with the effect. Gangman with no love was on people getting shot. Country powers what they want. Threatening with atomic bombs. People pulling in. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a bit more mid to this. Okay. What? It's getting really hot. Gangman with no love was on people getting shot. Country powers what they want. Now, depending on what kind of outcome you got, if you got a softer voice like mine, you might want to add a bit more gain on the mid band. That's what we're doing here. If you got really low kind of voice, you might want to take away a bit of that. Okay, but it also depends on the low band here. But I just want to pull it in just like that and leave everything as it is. Then what I'm going to do on here, select Fruity Parametric EQ. And we're going to select a preset again on the side, and we're going to select vocal presence. And what we're going to do is we're going to just click in there and easing it up. So halfway, don't think too much about it, just easing it up, just like that. Now on your slot 10, right at the end, we're going to add an effect, a soft clipper. And this is gonna just prevent anything from peaking, any vocals, just kind of give us that soft kind of ceiling. So anything goes up, it doesn't sound too harsh, it's just gonna sound nice and soft on the top. Okay, and so this is like the main three kind of stacks. Check this out. What? It's getting really hot. Gangman with no love was on people getting shot. Country powers what they want, threatening with atomic bombs. People pulling. Now what we need to do is we need to kind of make the vocals stay in the middle and kind of de-ease it, so you know, take away the sharp edges on the actual clip. So as we got the wave file, we're going to take away the sharp corners and just have a nice kind of smoother vocals. And to do that, we're going to use something called Modern De-easer. We're going to select something called the Modern De-easer on here, guys, and we select it just like that. And what we need to do on here is select a preset on here called vocal, just like that. So a vocal preset, and take the threshold all the way down. Take the threshold down to about 10. Just like that. Okay, and let's play that back now. What? It's getting really hot. Gangman with no love was on people getting shot. Country powers what they want, threatening with. As you can see, the more threshold we add, the more vocals we clip away. What? It's getting really hot. Gangman with no love was on people getting shot. Country powers what they want, threatening with atomic bombs. People pulling in and out, and tell me what is going on. This world is cold. This world is cold. I wish I could see. Okay, so this is perfect. We're gonna leave it on 12. Okay, on here the ratio is set to 12, the threshold, and it's really kind of gives us that right kind of volume that we want for this. Check this out. What? It's getting really hot. Gangman with no love was on people getting shot. Country powers what they want, threatening with atomic bombs. People pulling in and out, and tell me what is going on. This world is cold. So what we're gonna do now, guys, is we're actually gonna add a limiter on here. So we're gonna click on here and we're gonna select the Fruity limiter, just like that. And what we're gonna do here on the Fruity limiter, guys, we're gonna select the presets, and we are gonna select on the side here max loudness with slight saturation. Now don't panic, it will be very loud. Okay, it's gonna be quite loud, but don't panic, guys, we're gonna sort this out. So what we need to do, first of all, take the gain and move it down. Now we want to move it down here on the hint panel. You want to make sure that it's on 1.5, okay, 1.5, and the saturation on here will be minus 3.7. What we're going to do is we're going to move the saturation to about 4.0, minus 4.0, just like that. Okay, and the ceiling, as you can see, we got the ceiling here. We're gonna play it and we're gonna move the ceiling up and down and see where it meets. What? It's getting really hot. Gangman with no love, wars on people getting shot. Country. See that? We can really control the ceiling on how the vocals work. That's why I want to show this to you guys. So check this out. Let me zoom in. Now notice that how I play it back and I move this, you will see that this white channels, the white waves, are highlighted. This is what we're getting on a sound input. Anything that's purple means it's being cut off, basically. So that's what we're doing. What? It's getting as I move this green up and down, it changes the waves of the way it comes in. Check this out. It's getting really hot. Gangman with no love, wars on people getting shot. Country powers what they want, threatening with atomic bombs. People pulling in and out and tell me what is going on. This world is cold, this world is cold. I wish I could see what the future really holds. Democratic policy. So what we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna stick it on 2.2 will be fine. What? It's getting really hot. Gangman with no love, wars on people getting shot. And now, guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on the volume and we're gonna drag it down to 80%. And let's play it back now. What? It's getting really hot. Gangman with no love, wars on people getting shot. Country powers what they want, threatening with atomic bombs. People pulling in and out and tell me what is going on. This world is cold. Okay, guys, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add Soundgoodizer to this. Check this out. On the side, Soundgoodizer. Okay. It's getting really hot. Gangman with no love. And we're gonna select mode C and just go halfway, 50%. What? It's getting really hot. Gangman with no love, wars on people getting shot. Okay, and what we can do is we can take the deezer now and we can move it to about 0.9 since we've kind of added that, you know, the ceiling. We took it down a bit so we can easing up the modern deezer a bit just to equalize the vocals. And let's play it back now. What? It's getting really hot. Gangman with no love, wars on people getting shot. Country powers what they want, threatening with atomic bombs. People. Now that's great, and what we're gonna do now is we're gonna clone it down. Okay, so hold shift, click on it, and just drag down and let go like this for both of them. And what we're gonna have to do now on the side here, click on the little wave and select make unique, just like that, and do it to both of them. This will add like a little hashtag at the end, guys, and this just demonstrates that this waveform at the bottom is different to the one at the top. So we can click in this and add this to channel 17, and as we're doing channel 17, and let's play it back now. What? It's getting really hot. And we're gonna move the volume down to about 80% as well on channel 17. We're gonna rename this. So 16, the main vocals. And 17, guys, we have the reverb and delay. So what we're gonna do on here, on this channel, we're gonna add Fruity Multiband EQ2, and we're gonna select the preset and vocals. Leave it as that, don't touch it. Then what we're gonna do is Soundgoodizer, and we're gonna select C and go 25%. Then we're gonna go on here and select Fruity Delay 3, and we're gonna select on the side here something called Sterilized, and we're gonna do input, take that down, and we're gonna do input off about, let's try with 10% first. What? It's getting really hot. Gang too much, so let's try 5%. What? It's getting really hot. Gangman with no love, wars on people getting shot. Let's turn it up for this mixing. What? It's getting really hot. And what we're gonna do on the Fruity Parametric EQ, we're gonna kill off the lows and just move down the highs in the mid range, just over here, just like that. What? It's getting really hot. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna add Fruity Reverb 2. What? It's getting really hot. And we're gonna go about 30%. And we're gonna add Fruity Reverb 2 again. This time take the wetness up to about 80%, just like that. and take the input to about 10%. What? It's getting really hot. Gangman with no love, wars on people getting shot. Country power's what they want. And what we're gonna do is add Fruity EQ too. Sorry, Fruity EQ. Then guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna move the volume down to about 70%, and we're gonna select Fruity Parametric EQ, and we're gonna move it down just like that. What? It's getting really hot. Gangman with no love, wars on people getting shot. Country power's what they want, threatening with atomic bombs. People pulling in and out, and tell me what is going on. This world is cold. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this reverb channel and move it to about 50%. What? It's getting really... about 60%. What? It's getting really hot. Gangman with no love, wars on people getting shot. Country power's what they want, threatening with atomic bombs. People pulling in and out, and tell me what is going on. Now guys, we can go onto the Fruity limiter, and we can actually move the ceiling up to 1 decibel. And what we're going to do is we're going to drive more power out from the vocals. So check this out. Yeah, tell me what? It's getting really hot. Gangman with no love, wars on people getting shot. And now guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add like this kind of background singing. So on this voice that I have here, I'm just gonna add Fruity Reverb 2, just like this. And I'm gonna turn the wetness up. Whoa, how cool is that? And I'm gonna add Fruity Parametric EQ after the reverb and vocal presence. And I'm just gonna take this down and easing it up again. And I'm gonna kill off the reverb like halfway, maybe like this, and that's it. Let's just go and create some nice kind of background for this. Okay, we're live. Yeah, tell me what? It's getting really hot. Gangman with no love, wars on people getting shot. Country power's what they want, threatening with atomic bombs. People pulling in and out, and tell me what is going on. This world is cold. This world is cold. I wish I could see what the future really holds. Democratic policy, Soviet democracy. Demon killed the literacy, and media telepathy. Spread love, not war, come on. Let the world come to a peace and not war. This is a free vocal preset. Hey. Yeah, tell me what? It's getting really hot. Gangman with no love, wars on people getting shot. Country power's what they want, threatening with atomic bombs. People pulling in and out, and tell me what is going on. This world is cold. This world is cold. I wish I could see what the future really holds. Democratic policy, Soviet democracy. Demon killed the literacy, and media telepathy. Spread love, not war, come on. Let the world come to a peace and not war. This is a free vocal preset. Hey. And that is how you make vocals in FL Studio Live here, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this vocal preset. You know, this New York / inspired UK kind of drill vocal preset that you guys can get. Really cool, and I really like this style. Hope you guys like it, and yeah, make sure you leave your comments on what you guys want to see next week. Apart from that, see you guys again soon. Peace out. Ciao.